Years of discomfort, endless remedies that never worked, until one night everything changed with just 3 ingredients sitting in my kitchen. What happened in those 8 hours shocked even my doctor. Chronic constipation isn't just uncomfortable, it's your body screaming that something's broken. When waste sits in your colon for days, toxins get reabsorbed into your bloodstream, your energy crashes, and that bloated feeling becomes your new normal. Most people try fiber supplements, laxatives, or expensive probiotics, but they're missing the real problem. Your intestines need 3 things simultaneously: natural acids to break down compacted waste, enzymes to restart digestive motion, and compounds that reduce inflammation blocking your system. That's where this combination becomes powerful. The drink contains warm water, fresh lemon juice, raw honey, and grated ginger. Here's why this specific combination works when nothing else does. Lemon citric acid doesn't just add flavor, it triggers bile production in your liver, which acts like dish soap for your intestines, breaking down stubborn waste that's been sitting too long. The vitamin C also feeds beneficial gut bacteria that restore normal function. Raw honey contains enzymes and prebiotics that most people don't know about. Unlike processed honey, raw honey has hydrogen peroxide properties that gently cleanse your intestinal walls while feeding good bacteria. It also coats and soothes inflamed tissue that might be causing painful cramping. Ginger is the real catalyst. Its active compounds called gingerols stimulate peristalsis, those wave-like muscle contractions that move everything through your digestive tract. It also reduces inflammation and has natural antibacterial properties that help rebalance your gut flora overnight. The timing matters just as much as the ingredients. Drinking this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning means nothing blocks these compounds from reaching your intestinal walls directly. Your body is also naturally primed for elimination in the morning, so you're working with your circadian rhythm instead of against it. Mix 1 cup of warm water with juice from half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Drink it immediately after waking up, then wait 30 minutes before eating anything. Most people feel movement within 2 to 4 hours on the first day. The overnight transformation happens because all 3 ingredients work on different aspects of the problem simultaneously while you sleep. Your body enters deep repair mode at night, and these compounds support that natural process instead of forcing something artificial. This isn't about dependency like laxatives. After 1 to 2 weeks of daily use, most people can reduce frequency because their digestive system remembers how to function normally again. The key is consistency during that reset period. If you've tried everything else without success, this combination addresses the root causes instead of just masking symptoms. Your body already knows how to heal itself. Sometimes it just needs the right tools.